Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Behind me is the Lamborghini Temerario. Check this out, you guys. This is one of the coolest colors I have ever seen on a Lamborghini. Oh, the Temerario. Look at that. Hexagons everywhere on the exhaust, on the tail lights. Oh, everywhere on the interior. We'll get to the interior in a second, though. Look at this. Those hexagonal headlights. One of my favorite parts about this whole car. Carbon fiber options everywhere. This is the upgraded version from the basic. So we have carbon fiber all over the interior and all on the exterior. We got carbon fiber on the side view mirrors. Carbon fiber on the front splitter. This thing is insane. Alright guys, let's check this thing out. Oh my gosh. This is insane, you guys. Check it out. We got carbon fiber all over the steering wheel. This entire door is carbon fiber. The entire dash is carbon fiber. This is insane. I am just amazed. I mean, when I first saw this released at Monterey Car Week, I wasn't the biggest fan, but now that I've seen it in person, I love it. Alright guys, let's get real for a second. Now the Temerario, which is the Huracan replacement, and I do the quotes because this honestly isn't the Huracan replacement. I mean, I've been told that this is a completely new car. Now yes, it kind of does have the same body lines as a Huracan, but this is just, it's so unique. I mean, this is 920 horsepower. It's all-wheel drive. It's got a twin-turbo V8, which the Huracan had a V10, and then it's got a hybrid motor right in between the engine and the transmission, and then two up front to make it all-wheel drive. This is not the Huracan replacement. This is a brand new car. The Temerario, which translates to reckless in Italian. Now, I'm going to be honest, as much as I love this car, it's looking a little plain. I mean, the front, it doesn't have the body lines. I mean, you got to compare this to, say, like a Technica. Let's compare this to a Technica for a second. This is $350,000. Technica is $250,000. This is 920 horsepower. A Technica is right around 700, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I don't know, the extra $100,000, I don't know if I would pay it. Plus, the Technica, it just looks more like a race car. Lamborghini, they're named after fighting bulls. It's supposed to be aggressive. Now, this car, don't get me wrong, one of the most beautiful Lamborghinis ever made, but I don't know if they're supposed to be beautiful or aggressive. Let me know in the comments. I mean, yes, I am loving this car. And the interior, I am serious. This is one of my favorite interiors I've ever seen on a Lamborghini. We have the carbon fiber all over the doors. Getting in, there is carbon fiber all over the steering wheel. Carbon fiber all over the dash. I mean, this is sick and all, but I don't know. Over a Technica? Comment down below. Seriously though, I love this car. I mean, there are hexagons, like I said, everywhere on side view mirrors, and then on the interior, everywhere. This car is insane. Don't get me wrong. I mean, this is insane. I just don't know if I would take this over a Technica. No, I closed the door and I don't know how to open it. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's see. Uh-oh. I think I may have just locked myself in. Oh my gosh, this is scary. Okay. How do I open this door? I can't believe I just did that. Uh-oh, is it like this right here? Oh, I found it. Okay, it's a button. It's that button right there. In case you ever get locked in a Temerario, that button right there, not this rope. That's how you close it. Okay, that was... Whew, heart's going. You guys, this car, seriously, is insane.
A little bit.
All right, what are we thinking of the Temerario?
First time I've seen it.
I kind of like the...
It might take some adjusting, right?
Yeah,
it's toned down. It's very simple, clean slate design. There's some things I love about it. I think the back end is really cool. I love how you can see the tires so much.
I actually like that.
I don't like the Revuelto interior, so it's the same part numbers as a Revuelto. The front end is cool, but I don't know.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's just not aggressive enough. Right.
I'm sure it's amazing to drive. I know it's fast as can be.
920 horsepower.
Right.
I'm sure it's
10,000 RPM red line. Like, that's insane. It is a V8. I missed the V10 already.
Twin turbo V8 though, I mean, that's not bad.
It's not bad, but everything's got a twin turbo V8.
Yeah.
McLaren's all twin turbo V8s, Ferrari's twin turbo V8s, now Lamborghini's twin turbo V8s, so I feel like it's going to take some of the soul away from like an NA-V10.
Yeah.
But I'm not dogging it yet because I haven't driven it.
Absolutely.
You always got to drive.
I feel like a body kit in a wing.
For sure.
Yeah.
I'd love to see it out under the sun too, like on a street.
Yep.
You know, because in like a showroom environment,
Yeah.
it's always different than seeing it like hard parked, especially if you're like not expecting to see it. But it's cool. It's still a Lamborghini.
All right, forget the Temerario for a second. Check this out. You guys can probably see it already. The brand new Lamborghini Countach. Just sitting here, look. Everybody's surrounding the Temerario when there's a Countach over here. Check this out. The Countach. Now, granted, I would take a classic Countach over this any day of the week, but that's pretty sick with the Scion taillights. The exhaust pipes are insane. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright guys, you've gotten my take on the car. Now I want you to comment down below, what do you think of the new Temerario? This thing from the back looks insane. I will admit that. This is sick. Look at that exhaust pipe, the hexagonal taillights, and probably my favorite part of the car is the wheel wells. Look at that. This is insane. Look, you can like actually see through the wheel well. That is sick. One more shot of beautiful interiors before I say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And if you enjoyed, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. See you guys in the next one.